Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is my 29th birthday. I actually can't believe that it's just my 29th birthday. I'm kind of feeling strange about this birthday. I don't really know how to feel about this birthday. I told Jared that once he turned 30, I kind of also just felt like I was 30 because not only is my husband 30 years old, but most of my friends are in their 30s or older as well. So it's just like, yeah, I'm already 30, and to actually say out loud that I'm 29 or like type it or write it is very strange to me, and I don't know why. I think because last year I knew I was pregnant and I knew it was going to be my last birthday with just me and Jared. That was really special, and then next year is not only my 30th birthday, but it's also my golden birthday. So that's really special, and then 29 is just kind of sandwiched in between. But all of that like strange feeling aside, I'm really excited to be celebrating my 29th birthday. I'm really excited that this is the first birthday that I get to celebrate with Briggs being here. Chewy is celebrating, I think, my 12th birthday with me, and I just really love birthdays. It's just a special day, and I'm really looking forward to what the year has in store for me. Last year I kind of had plans and ideas of what year 28 was going to have in store. This year I have no idea. I have no clue. My hope for this year is that I can take on a couple of really big projects in the house and kind of make this house look completely different, which don't come for me. I know I'm going to keep the charm of the old house, but there's a lot that needs to be changed. And I'm really hoping that I can get through quite a few of those projects that have just been in my brain. And there's one really big project that I'd like to do for Jared and Briggs if I can do it this year. That would be really great. But I don't know what to expect. I think this year is just going to be a very go with the flow year, and I'm okay with that. I'm looking forward to seeing what it has in store for me. Every year for my birthday, I do a compilation of bloopers from all of my videos that I had bloopers for the previous year. And this year is no different. I want to just keep doing that. It's something that I find really fun, and I hope you enjoy. So without further ado, let's get to the bloopers. Bloop. Let's get into it. My little jar. I love this. I have a couple of vases. I have a couple of vases. But I want to do something smaller for this. I'm working. I have a couple of different bars as well. There's no sharded. I can't say the word. Blah, 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 blah. All of my elves have been dropped. I asked everyone Chewy's making me laugh. I asked everyone Hey Tapsy, how you doing? And I really like tricorn black. It's just my preferred tricorn.
Do you like a team effort?
Yeah. My tape lines will not be straight. I do have a laser level, however. Oh, I'm still recording. Oops. The definition of hello there, I didn't see you. You wish you could do it like a girl. Do it like a woman. Time is against me today. Should probably wear a glove, huh? And they're downstairs. Anyway, these walls are gross. I wonder if I spilled food in here. Probably. Oh no, none of this was me. For sure not. Oh. Everything grosses me out. Does his clothes smell good, buddy? I know, I washed them yesterday. Those are clothes for brother. Do they smell good? I don't remember what I was saying. Got nothing on me. Wanna dance with you and I'm sophisticated. And I'm nice and young, but I'm number one. Oh, dizzy. As per usual, took a post-nap lunch. I'm keeping that. I went nice, crisp. What am I trying to say? Ugh. Gonna have to do some editing on this one. Oh. My sweet boy and your tappy toes.
So beautiful. I don't want to look like a Tin Man. Maybe you could say like luminescent or shiny or whatever.
Nothing's going right. You just block the whole view of my camera. With the thing.
Not everything needs to be recorded.
Not everything needs to be recorded.
Dude, nobody rewears socks.
That's
Ew.
a pretty gross answer.
Yeah. Number 2.
You when there was no cookies and cream Pop Tarts in the pantry?
Yo, I don't care what. Who said my name? Guys, yo,
Yeah. You want to relive that? Them some fighting words, sir.
I just relived it by watching that tantrum.
Fighting words.
You feel most guilty, Lon.
That's how I felt. I was pissed. You ate my Pop-Tarts.
Okay, listen.
And then what'd you do to my Pop
There
Tarts?
is absolutely.
I'm pregnant. And I went to the store to get them.
Who said my
Obliterated
name,
them.
guys? Yo, shut up.
Alrighty then. Let's see if I can do this without looking like a whale. I don't recall. Bird sure do be birding today. It's so damn hot. Filled for. Pardon me, let me just wipe you off there. You got a little schmutz, dear. Start the rest of the living room. I think it'll give me a better idea of how one of my videos. Off of all the woodwork, and then eventually I'm thinking next year I will be refinishing the hardwood floors. So I think this mantles are really good. Are you watching Mom on TV? A natural. Do you hear me on the TV too, buddy? Is that very confusing for you? I use a product called Let Out. Oh, and my light died. So now we're sitting in the dark together. Cool. What else do I want to talk about? I also use my fluffy paintbrush whenever I went in with like a darker, with like more coffee. Okay. We'll see how that works. My light died. But anyway, every year I do a little bloopers. Ugh, this light's driving me nuts, dude. Just last like 2 more minutes, please. But anyway, every year I do a little blooper compilation from all of my videos from the past year that I've got bloopers from, and this year this light dying can be a freaking blooper. Oh my gosh, I just need you to last like half a second, please. I'm almost done. I won't even film an outro if you just last for me, please. Oh my goodness gracious. Literally keeps dying. My luck. I should have charged it. I don't even know where a charger is for this thing. Do I have one down here? No. I think I hid it from myself the other day for some reason. Is that? No, that's not one. Okay. Do I just roll without my light? Thank you, light. I appreciate you. I need to find your charger.